Warm welcome to an introductory video of Microsoft Word. In this video, we will discuss different screen components of Microsoft Word. First, I will tell you the names of those components, then we will discuss different functions of such components. Let's start it. First bar in the corner is called Quick Access Bar. Quick Access Bar. Then this upper bar where you can see the name of the document or the title of the document is called Title Bar. Title bar. Then this bar, which has different names, home, insert, design, it is called menu bar. Menu bar. Then below menu bar you can see ribbon or ribbon bar. This is called ribbon bar. Ribbons. Then this ruler on the left side is called ruler. Vertical ruler. This ruler is called horizontal ruler. Horizontal ruler. Then this bar. This bar is called status bar, which has information about the page, number of pages, number of words in a document, and the language in which document is being written. This bar is called status bar. Then this bar is called view toolbar. View tool bar. Then this area, which is these are the sections, clipboard of a ribbon, clipboard, font, paragraph. Then further this area is also called dialog box launcher, because when you click this kind of arrow, when you click this arrow, normally a dialog box appears. This is called dialog box launcher. And here on the top right corner, here this question mark is for launching the online help Then there are other functions which I am going to tell you right now. I will clear the screen first. Here it is, quick access bar. You can customize this bar by checking or unchecking the different options. This, as I have already told you, this is called dialog box launcher, because when you click it, a dialog box normally appear. I click it paragraph section, a dialog box will appear. That is why this section is called dialog box launcher. Here is help and here is ribbon display option. You can change the display options of ribbon from here. This is for minimizing the screen, and this is for restoring the screen or maximizing the screen. And when you click this cross button, your document or window will be closed. This is the basic names of screen components of Microsoft Word. If this video helps you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Goodbye.